How should you use your domain name? Well, there are as many ways as there are individuals and businesses. Just to give you an idea, GoDaddy.com manages tens of millions of domains for millions of customers. Yet, each domain is unique. Each has its own purpose and reason. Let's look at how you might use yours. Perhaps the most important thing about a domain name is that it's yours. It's your piece of real estate on the internet. They're for you to use and develop as you see fit. In fact, it's a great way to list actual property for sale. For only a few dollars a year, your domain can do so many things. It can protect your name or brand. You can use it to build a website on your own or get personal help from GoDaddy. You can sell virtually any product or promote virtually any service. Post your resume, register your baby's name, and then post photos or videos. Start a blog. Even get your own customized email address in the easy-to-remember your name at your domain format. Getting started is as easy as clicking in the search box to find that special name that's all yours. So let's go.